There we go. They're doing the weekly now. At 11:37.
Yay! You finally activated. Why?
Sometimes the 300 can be a little bit
activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Fraser.
But now the 74-210 didn't go off.
Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter,
I hope so.
Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat,
But yay, you finally activated.
warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
Hey, I can't say it hasn't happened before.
Well, let's see.
Weather conditions at 11 a.m.
Oh my god! What? The siren on the short comp, so I was like, shit!
This is a test of knowing the radio's warning alarm
Yep.
device and is being run in conjunction with the routine test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, the test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings. We now return to our normal programming. At Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA the radio's warning device. This is only a test. City today, sunny. High 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Let's see. It doesn't look like there's any rotation left.
So, Michael, what did you think? What did you think of the Sharecom's tone?
It's crap!
What's the Sharecom? What do you expect?
Yeah, the shit cop! That's what it is.
The 74-210 still did not activate.
Mine hasn't activated in a while.
I don't know why it's doing that.
I wish I had a perfect signal all the time.
No, even at a perfect signal, I don't know why it's not activating.
At least you can get more than one station.
True.
Alright, I'm turning off.
Oh my god, how with the spam?
Okay, let's turn off the. Yeah, at least everyone else activated, even the 300.
We only shoot severe thunderstorm warning for Wilcox, Alabama.
Yep. Oh, now I can put the radio back on the.
I guess tonight, who knows? I mean, what?
Oh my.
Oh, well then.
Okay. Alright,
If you something like that, it's only fair for me too as well.
Alright, we'll do that. We'll clear the notification on the 400.
Oh, I see where it's coming from. It's coming from the storm in Marengo County.